This is the historical. So it's really a one. Ah, oh, Trimasted Butin. Yan. September. Wow. So it is historical din siya. Tinood. It was really sailing on 1948. Indianas. Wow, it's very legendary sailboat. Oh, what a nice place. So, wow, what happened to this one? Oh, sinira siya. So it was dry dock and was replaced with some structures inside. And then it was after dry dock, relaunched after the constructions on October 2013. So what is good? Oh, wow, so nice. Woo.